Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to create a virtual environment using Anaconda and install the essential packages for LangChain and LangGraph. Let's get started. First, open the Anaconda Prompt. You can do this by searching for Anaconda Prompt in the Windows Start menu and clicking on it. Now let's create a new virtual environment. In the Anaconda Prompt, type the following command. Here, langenv is the name of your environment and we're specifying Python version. Once you press enter, Anaconda will begin creating the environment. Once the environment is created, we need to activate it. To do this, type the following command. Now you're inside your virtual environment. Any packages you install from now on will be isolated to this environment. Next, let's install the necessary packages for LangChain and LangGraph. To install LangChain, type the following command. After LangChain is installed, we'll move on to installing LangGraph. For LangGraph, use this command. And that's it. You've successfully created a virtual environment using Anaconda and installed both LangChain and LangGraph. You're now ready to dive into building applications with these powerful tools. Thanks for following along and happy coding.